Have you been told you need major dental work, like a root canal or crowns? Before committing, it's important to get a second opinion. A second opinion can protect your oral health, save money, and give you peace of mind. Sometimes dental recommendations are urgent, expensive, or confusing. A second opinion lets a neutral, licensed dentist review your case and explain your options in simple, easy-to-understand terms. With Dentulu, getting a second opinion is simple and fully online. You can choose from 3 options: an AI-assisted X-ray review, a written dentist second opinion, or an AI agent Q&A that guides you step by step. Upload your X-rays and Dentulu's AI will analyze them instantly. You'll get an easy-to-read summary highlighting potential concerns and risks. It's fast, visual, and helps you understand your dental health immediately. For a professional review, submit your dental records, and a licensed dentist will provide a written second opinion. You'll get a detailed PDF report with diagnosis review, treatment options, cost comparisons, and optional one-on-one video explanation. The AI Agent Q&A lets you ask questions, share photos, and receive clear guidance on symptoms or dental concerns. You'll get a step-by-step checklist and plain language recommendations to help decide your next steps. Dentulu combines expert dentists with AI technology for fast, neutral, and secure second opinions. Our platform is HIPAA compliant. Board-certified dentists review your records, and every service is priced up front, with no hidden fees. Don't proceed with major dental work without knowing your options. Upload your records today, choose your second opinion service, and make confident decisions about your oral health. Your smile deserves clarity,